In today's video, I'll teach you how to change time format in Windows 11. So if you want to change the time format, it is actually very simple. First of all, what you have to do is go to settings. For that, click on the start icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now what you have to do is click on the gear icon that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find this option for time and language and click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the time and language interface. You'll be able to find various options at left. Make sure date and time is selected. Now in the date and time interface, you'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for date, time and regional formatting. Click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here, you'll be able to find various options for formatting. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for regional format. Right now, English United States is selected for me. So what you have to do is click on this field. Once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is simply click on the option of your choice. Here I've selected the option for Austria. Once you do that, you can see over here the time format has been changed. So like this, you'll be able to change the time format. So that is how you change time format in Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.